What are the skills required for different IT sectors? If you want to become a software engineer, then you must learn languages like C++, Java, Python, JavaScript, and C hash. If you are interested in web development, then you must go with languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, and Python. If you are interested in game development, then you can go with C++, Java, C hash, Unity 3D, and Unreal. If you want to develop Android applications, then you must learn languages like Java, Kotlin, Swift, React Native, and Flutter. If you have a great interest in networking and security and want to build your career in cybersecurity, then you must go with Linux, networking, social engineering, Python, and C++. If you are interested in fields like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science, then you must go for Python, Java, Julia, R, and Haskell.